Tuno. Hi. Hi to Fabio Marquez. Hello to Paho Ponce. Yeah. Because I'm already 42. So I'm not young anymore. Comment guys. Comment. Bandas. Thank you for a good time. Have a good night. Thank you, Eric. Eric is from. Shout out to you, Eric. Watching from. Where are you from, Eric? May I know so I can make shout out. And Carlos and Fabio. Hi, Carlos. From USA. Thank you, Eric. I hope you also join my membership I have there. And you can also buy my super chat just like George Speed. You buy my super chat for $10 for sending support. That's again my. No, I'm so tired. I can do almost maybe tomorrow. Look at my watch. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hello Carlos. Watching from. Hello Shafiki Sulaiman, one of my member. Hello, shout out. Hello. Hi Shafiki Sulaiman, one of my member. Please join my membership, guys. Hello world. Who is near to you? Near? My son. My son. Me and my son. I'm good. But I feel worried, but I'm still, you know, I'm still fighting for my worry. Is already joined. Yeah, I know it. I tell to Eric, Eric, you can join my membership. It's very affordable, just like Shifiki. I'm a little worried because has a promise but made to be broke. That's why I'm waiting, I'm hoping, but nothing happened this day. So I feel that's why. Shafiki Sulaiman, you are from? Hello Lombard 21 John. Where you come? I came from Philippines. You promised me one thing. What's one thing? I forgot. India. Okay. Shout. I have so many subscribers from India. Thank you so much. And also from Indonesia. Thank you guys. But they are not coming back because I can't reply all the messages. So many guys. My eyes. I have a teary eye. So reading the message so very, 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 very many. So I can reply you each guys. So I make sure to everyone who support me here. Thank you so much. Very pretty. Thank you. I get to start my plane. So where you going? I have to start. Are you pilot, Eric? Are you in the plane? Do you remember me there? A little. Eric, why you are in plane? You are a pilot? Oh, I'm going just 30 minutes live guys because of my eyes. I can't do more longer lives because my eyes get something like teary eyes. I Oh, you own a plane? Wow. I hope I can ride in your plane someday. Joke. For that I look the highest membership, you know. Yes, because that's the color of the highest membership. Thank you, Sophie. And also to Eric, please join like Shafiki Sulaiman, please. You can afford because you own a plane. Okay, so there, that's a possible. Hello, boy. Hi, boy.